Dyson V15. Is this cordless stick vacuum worth it? As a lightweight alternative to traditional vacuums, cordless stick models are gaining ground. We tested one of the most popular options on the market to see how it stacks up. With 4 dogs, 1 cat, and a continual stream of family members going in and out, my house requires frequent vacuuming. I'm always on the lookout for a model that reduces my cleaning time, so I was excited to test the Dyson's V15 Detect, one of the best-selling cordless stick vacuums on the market today. I consider myself a pro when it comes to vacuuming, having recently tested a slew of top-notch cordless vacuums for pet hair. The Dyson V15 Detect is billed as one of Dyson's best battery-powered performers, thanks to its combination of efficiency and portability. But I wasn't going to accept that claim until I'd seen for myself what the vacuum could do. I spent 2 weeks trying it out on hardwood, tile, and carpeting. Dyson is a well-respected name in the vacuum industry, and the V15 Detect is a force to be reckoned with. Is it perfect? No, but it's pretty close. Find out what happened when I put the V15 to the test, including which features I loved and what I think Dyson could change to improve this impressive vacuum. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum, at a glance. Pros. Offers powerful suction in 3 modes, making it suitable for a range of cleaning tasks. Accessories add versatility, allowing the vacuum to clean a range of surface types and home designs. Laser light on the hard flooring head illuminates dust that is otherwise hard to see. LED screen shows the remaining battery charge for all 3 suction levels. Cons. Compared to other cordless stick vacuums, this Dyson cordless vacuum is on the pricey side. Small dustbin capacity requires frequent dumping when cleaning an entire home. What is the Dyson V15 Detect? The V15 Detect is one of Dyson's standout cordless stick vacuums. It comes with several advanced cleaning technologies, such as a bright green light that illuminates tiny bits of dust on the floor ahead of the vacuum and a sensor that detects the size of the dust particles and automatically adjusts the suction to suit. This cordless vacuum features a built-in rechargeable battery that charges fully in 4.5 hours just by hanging the vacuum in the included docking station. It also comes with several accessories I found helpful for removing cobwebs and corners and pet hair from upholstered furniture. The V15 features Dyson's proprietary hyperdymium motor, which is designed to rotate up to 125,000 times per minute to create powerful suction. Overall, this multipurpose cleaning appliance is well suited to frequent vacuuming needs. My Dyson V15 review covers every aspect of this vacuum. Unfortunately, the V15 doesn't ship with a manual, but if you still want one, like I did, you can download a PDF version here. Power and performance. This Dyson stick comes with 3 suction power modes: Auto, Medium, Eco, Low, and Boost, High. I found Eco mode offered ample suction for most daily vacuuming needs, while Auto, the default mode, provided a high suction level, more than adequate for heavy-duty vacuuming, such as getting embedded pet hair out of nylon carpeting. Boost was even more powerful, and although I tried it out, it created more suction than I needed. I could see where it might be beneficial for removing dried-on mud bits from some carpets, but watch out for throw rugs. The suction is too strong, and it will try to suck up the rug. The vacuum's runtime is satisfactory. Dyson claims the maximum runtime on Eco mode is about 60 minutes. I timed the V15 on Auto mode, and it ran for almost 35 minutes. I appreciated that I could see how many minutes remained on an LED screen as I vacuumed. I can vacuum my entire 2,500 square foot house in about 20 minutes, so I had plenty of time to finish cleaning in Auto mode. But when I switched to Boost, the remaining time dropped significantly, to about half of what remained on Auto. Still, unless you have a very large home, runtime, on a full charge, will likely be more than enough. Form and function. One of the primary benefits of a stick vacuum, like the Dyson V15 over an upright vacuum, is the ability to lower the angle of the handle so the power head slides easily under furniture. The V15 is great at this. I could clean under sofas and chairs without having to move them. Another design aspect I liked was the width of the 10-inch power head, which makes it easier to get in narrow spots, such as between the toilet and the wall. Accessories, including a hair screw remover, a crevice tool, and a combination tool, turn the V15 into a powerful handheld vacuum for cleaning upholstery, nooks, and crannies. A slight downside is that while the vacuum weighs just 683 pounds, most of that weight is in the top section, making it feel heavier in the hand than other handheld models. A major perk is the docking/charging station that installs easily on a wall, requiring only 2 screws to hold the unit in place. This is a great feature, particularly for anyone who dislikes having to plug in cordless stick vacuums after every use. Still, I think the V15 would benefit from a couple of changes, the first being a larger dustbin canister. It comes with a 0.2-gallon dustbin that I had to dump 3 to 4 times during my daily vacuuming. My second suggestion would be that Dyson designed the V15 so it can stand on its own. Don't get me wrong, this is a great stick vacuum, but if I want to set it aside and pick something up, I have to carry it over and lean it against a wall, which is not ideal. Accessories and extras. The V15 comes with an assortment of accessories, including a motorized hair screw, a fluffy hard flooring head, a crevice tool, and a combo tool. These expand the Dyson's versatility, making it more than just a carpet vacuum. After removing the long stick and motor head and attaching the hair screw, I was able to easily clean pet hair from upholstery. The hair screw is also motorized, allowing its tiny bristles to quickly dislodge stuck-on pet fur. The crevice and combo tools are straightforward. Many cordless vacuums offer similar attachments for getting into tight spots and brushing up dust while vacuuming. More unique is the fluffy hard flooring attachment. It emits a bright green laser light that illuminates every bit of dust or hair in front of the vacuum. I was stunned, and kind of embarrassed, at how much dust was on my floor that I hadn't known was there. Is the Dyson V15 Detect worth the money? There's no doubt about it, the V15 Detect is pricey. As of this writing, it's selling at or over $600. Dyson is constantly improving, tweaking, and upgrading its vacuums, so as newer models hit the market, the price for the V15 Detect will likely drop. Ultimately, your lifestyle and cleaning needs will determine whether the V15 is right for you. You can find cheaper corded vacuums that are also powerful, but they are limited by the length of an electrical cord, and some corded vacuums are pretty large and cumbersome. The V15 is all about cleaning and convenience. It automatically charges when hung on its docking station, and it offers several attachments that make it easy to clean virtually all spots in your home. While we don't have any toddlers, my first thought was that vacuum's ability to illuminate surfaces with its green laser light could be invaluable for homes with small children who play on the floor. This is also one of the best vacuums for homes with pets. It effectively removed embedded pet hair from carpeting and upholstery, and perhaps best of all, the hair didn't tangle around the motorized roller. For my money, the Dyson V15 Detect is a good investment for keeping my home clean as simply as possible.